Irvine's next gated community is almost here, and it's actually going to be quite a bit more affordable than the more recent new construction developments that have been being built in Irvine, and some of its lots will actually offer views. Introducing Andalucia, which will be composed of 82 detached homes built by California Pacific in the southern part of Irvine. Andalucia will feature 3 different floor plans. The Plan 1 comes in at 1,326 square feet of living space and includes 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, with the option to convert the loft into a 3rd bedroom. Plan 2 is slightly larger at 1,493 square feet and comes standard with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, but does not include an optional loft. Plan 3 comes in at 1,752 square feet, includes 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and offers the structural upgrade to convert the loft into a 4th upstairs bedroom. As for the layout of the community, 36 out of the 82 homes are placed on the perimeter and will offer great privacy and some views. These perimeter lots will feature backyards with setbacks ranging from 10 feet up to 16 feet, while the interior lots are quite a bit smaller and will only offer 5 feet of backyard space. However, California Pacific is doing something quite unique to try and improve the privacy on these interior lots. Unlike most new developments where lots align at the rear, the interior lots at Andalucia are slightly offset. This will mainly benefit the primary bedrooms on the 2nd floor, as their windows will no longer be directly aligned. Looking at community amenities, the main feature is that Andalucia is a gated community. However, it will only offer an automatic gate instead of a more traditional staffed guarded gate. Inside of the community, plans call for a clubhouse, pool, 2 different parks, and multiple guest parking areas. As for location, California Pacific continues its history as the main residential builder in the south of Irvine. Andalucia is being built near the Irvine Spectrum shopping center and between the popular communities of Laguna Altura and Barcelona. In addition to the convenience of shopping and dining at the Spectrum, direct freeway access, ultimate proximity to top hospitals and major Irvine employers, residents will be just a short 15-minute drive to John Wayne Airport and Laguna Beach. With its South Irvine location, Andalucia falls into one of the strongest and most desirable sections of the Irvine Unified School District. Students will attend Alderwood Elementary, Rancho San Joaquin Middle School, and University High School, all of which are national blue ribbon schools and among the top-rated public schools in all of Southern California. The real question you are probably waiting for is how much are the homes at Andalucia going to cost? And as of now, California Pacific has not made any official announcements on pricing, but in the meantime, we can look at current new construction pricing throughout Irvine, as well as some more local resale comps to get a better estimate on where pricing might be starting. Starting with California's most comparable and current development, Fiore, which is a collection of detached condos located in Portola Springs. These homes are not part of a gated community and are slightly larger in square footage, but they are currently asking around $920 per square foot for non-view lots. If we want to compare pricing of new construction homes in Irvine that are within a gated community, then our closest comp is going to be Crestview by Shea Homes at the Summit in Orchard Hills. Keep in mind, homes in this community are quite a bit larger in size. Shea's current pricing averages around $1,025 per square foot for their non-view lots, while their view lots are priced right around $1,200 per square foot. As for nearby resale homes, the closest comps are going to be the 2 communities previously built by California Pacific, Barcelona and Laguna Altura. Starting with Barcelona, 4 homes have sold in the past year, closing at an average of $976 per square foot. Up the street in Laguna Altura, 9 detached condos have sold in the last year at an average of $1,054 per square foot. These current new construction and resale prices give us a range from $920 up to $1,200 per square foot. But given the smaller square footage of the homes being built at Andalucia, I believe pricing will start at the higher end of this range. And I expect pricing for the non-view lots to start around $1,100 per square foot, while the exterior view lots will start around $1,300 per square foot. That gives us an estimated price range of $1.45 million for an interior Plan 1, up to $2.25 million for an exterior Plan 3. Given Andalucia is a gated community located in a highly desirable area of Irvine and offers access to some of the top-rated public schools in all of Southern California, I expect demand levels to be high. Buyers that are interested in securing one of the premier exterior lots or want to buy within one of the first phases to take advantage of all of that built-in equity, well, they are going to need to get on the priority list early. If you are interested in Andalucia and want to get access to the priority list early, then please feel free to reach out and I am happy to help. If I don't hear from you, well then I look forward to getting to bring you the next inside scoop. Cheers.